Now, if you're wondering about the rains, no need to guess because you're now tuned into your daily SkyMet weather report. Here's a look at the weather all over the nation. Extreme northwest Rajasthan would be uncomfortable as weather would remain in 40s. Intermittent rains and overcast skies over north and east India would keep the temperatures in pleasant and enjoyable. The amber color here shows that the weather would be very pleasant in lower 20s in Madhya Pradesh and other parts of central India. A cyclonic circulation has developed over Orissa and Gangetic West Bengal, getting enough moisture from Bay of Bengal. Moist easterly winds are reaching up to Haryana. Southwesterly winds are bringing moisture from Arabian Sea up to Delhi. Winds are westerly over the west coast and South India. These large blobs of red color are indicating heavy rains over Madhya Pradesh and West Uttar Pradesh. Showers are also predicted over East Rajasthan, Chhattisgarh, Orissa and Jharkhand. A few places in Punjab, Haryana and Delhi will also see showers. Moderate rain will continue over west coast. Rain intensity over South India will continue to be scanty. Now let's have a look at the temperatures in the major cities. Light rain is possible over the national capital. Day will be relieving with cloudy sky. Maximum will be just 32 degrees and morning would be comfortable at 27. Mumbaikars would experience a comfortable day with cloudy sky and few showers. The maximum will be 30 degrees and morning at 26. A warm and humid day for Kolkata. Maximum will reach 32 degrees while minimum will be around 26 degrees. A few spells of showers are expected over the city. A wonderful day for Bangalore. Amidst light showers, the maximum will not go beyond 29 and morning will be very pleasant at 19. With light rain and a marginal fall in maximum, Hyderabad will remain comfortable at 29 degrees. A breezy and pleasant morning at 22 would be enough to pull you out for a morning walk. Chennai might get some respite from hot and humid weather as light rains are predicted. Maximum of 36 will be a little uneasy. Sky will be cloudy. Minimum will reach 27 degrees. So on that note, I take your leave for now. Catch us again tomorrow right here on SkyMetWeather.com. I'm Pranati and thanks for tuning in.